today. In front of me is Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Security and Privacy after scrolling down. Click on Lock Screen Passcode and select one of those login methods, PIN or password. I will go with PIN, so now I have to enter it. And tap on Confirm New PIN. Now you need to repeat it in order to confirm it. And as you can see now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, PIN is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!